Hey everyone, I'm Jess Wild.
And I'm Sammy Cole.
And you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel.
And on this channel, you will find out everything you need to know about sex.
And sex toys.
So that when you go to the Lovehoney website,
you know what the heck you're doing.
So this week we are doing another unboxing video for you.
Yay!
Ooh, yeah, and we are going to be looking at the Super Silencer Vibrator Kit.
Huzzah! So this is hopefully going to be amazing for anybody. You might be in shared accommodation, you might be a student, or perhaps you still live at home with your parents. Either way, you don't want the rest of the world knowing what you might be doing in your spare time.
Yes.
I want to see what's inside. So I think this is predominantly designed for people with a clitoris, if I remember correctly. However, many toys you can use across the gender if you're inventive about it.
Yeah, I think the only thing with this collection is don't use them anally because there's nothing quite right.
Because as you can see, nothing here is flared. So what am I going to... I'm going to go for this guy in the middle.
All right.
Yep. Going for this one. This is a G-spot vibrator. You can tell that because of this curved top, and also it's got this really sort of bulbous tip on it as well. Any toys that follow this shape are generally designed for G-spot pleasure. This guy takes 2 AA batteries. Just a little tip, make sure you use regular batteries, not rechargeable. A lot of people don't realise rechargeable batteries are a tiny bit bigger and they will get stuck inside your toys. So this takes 2 AA regular ordinary batteries, which you can also buy from lovehoney.co.uk. So to get the motor running, you simply twist the base. Now you can crank this up a little bit higher if you want to, depending on how powerful you like your vibrations. But as you can tell already, it's pretty quiet. Bear in mind as well, you're probably not going to be doing this in the living room. You probably have your bedroom door shut and under a duvet.
Yeah, and also if this is inside you, which you would assume it would be, this, turn it on, it's going to be a lot more muffled in use.
Muffled in your
by
muff.
Your body.
By your muff. You muffle it.
Muffling. Good.
Long story short, it's very good for quiet internal play. It will be quiet, you may not be.
Yes, that's up to you to regulate.
Yeah, you might want to get a ball gag.
Gag yourself, mate.
Gagged. This toy is made from a firm, body-safe plastic. So what that means is not only does lube last a really long time on the surface of it, meaning you'll need fewer applications, it also offers firm stimulation, which a lot of people who enjoy G-spot pleasure really say they need. They need that firm, broad contact. So this is a really popular toy for amazing G-spot orgasms. Now, the other thing about this toy is it is made from a really firm, body-safe plastic. Now, that's great for 2 reasons. Number one, most people who enjoy G-spot pleasure say that it really requires that firm massage, which this toy does provide really easily. And also, if you're adding pressure on the outside of your body, this toy isn't flexing and absorbing any of that pressure, so you get that direct stimulation. And secondly, lube lasts a really long time on non-porous materials. So you'll be able to use a water-based lube with this, and it should last quite a while with minimal reapplication, depending on how long you like to play for.
Obviously, no sex toy collection is complete without a bullet vibrator, and oh what, in this box you get one.
Hey!
So this is just very slim. It's used for external stimulation. You've got a tapered tip, so you can use it wherever you like. Primarily, most people use it on the clitoris, but it can be used on the nipples, on the perineum, on any sort of sensitive bit of external skin. Do not use it in your bum because it will get lost.
Yeah.
Just wiggle its way up and then back out your mouth.
If only it was that easier.
So this one's really easy to operate as well. It's just got a push button on the base, so you press that, turns on the vibration. So that's the lowest setting, and you have, I think, 3 speeds on this. And that's the highest. And that's it.
Oh, that's good. So you don't have to do a press and hold on that one. You can just click through.
You just click through to the end and turn it off. Yeah, this is also a good one to use if you are in a couple because you can work it into any kind of play really, really easily and it won't get in the way.
Yeah, if you've got skin, you can use that.
If you've got the skin.
Yeah, if you have the skin. And also because it's so small, you can easily slip it between 2 parts. You know, it's a little bit less cumbersome than something like this, for example.
Yes, like that thing where you have to like pass the balloon between people.
Yeah.
Good.
This is good.
Good.
Now, the final toy in this 3-piece kit is the classic vibrator. And you can tell it's a classic vibrator because it generally just goes up and straight down, unlike with this. You don't have a curve or anything to it. So this is, again, used for internal pleasure. You could use it on external places as well. But again, vaginal only. There's no flared base on this, so don't put it near your bum, please. This one in particular has got this sort of wavy sort of shaft to it, which if you're going to use this for a thrusting motion, it is going to enhance sensation as your skin moves over these ridges. But it also has a really powerful and quiet motor, which you can actually just insert and then just simply enjoy the vibrations. So again, it follows very much the same design as the G-spot. It's got a twist base. And you can probably already see the power in that. Versus how quiet it is. think for me, this is the most impressive toy of this kit because it really does, and that's only on low power. It's almost gone invisible.
Yeah.
To us,
To
like
us,
you can
yeah.
almost not see the
To
end
naked
wobbling.
eye.
But it's impressively quiet. And again, as Sammy said earlier, once this is inside of you, under a duvet, door shut, all the rest of it, it's not going to seem as loud as it does when you get this out of the box and test it out at home. You know,
Exactly.
you bear those other things in mind as well. Yet again, this is a battery-operated toy. This one takes 2 C batteries, those big old fat ones that you don't
Chunky
really
ones.
get for anything else now apart from your vibrator. But because it takes such a big battery, that is where that super power comes from. It's got a great motor inside of this as well. So you will need to buy all of these batteries separately. So don't order just the sex toy kit, 'cause that's the worst, is then when you're scrabbling around your house trying to take all the batteries out of remote controls, Xbox controllers. Good luck finding a C battery knocking around your house, mate.
Unless you've got an air mattress
Yeah.
and a pump,
Yeah,
then
you might.
yeah,
You might. But yeah, that's the
just
last
pop them in
thing
your
I would-
basket when you're checking out on Lovehoney.
Exactly. We stick them on every product page, the relevant batteries you'll need, so just add it at the checkout.
And as we mentioned before, these are all made from body safe plastic, which means yes, you can use them with water-based lube, but you can also use them with the silicone lube. You can also use these with oil if you wanted to. They're fairly safe for use with, well, they're very safe for use with any lube that you like.
Now, if you've looked at any one of these products in this kit and thought, oh, that looks really great, but I'm not really sure how to get the best out of it, don't worry. On the back of the box, we always make sure we give you really clear instructions to help you get the most out of each toy in the kit.
So as we mentioned, these are all really quiet, and so they're really good for shared accommodation, or if you don't want people to know that you're using a sex toy. If there are any other tips that you want for not letting on that you're masturbating, then let us know in the comments below, and we can do a video for you all about that.
And of course, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you really liked it, subscribe. You can do that by clicking on the heart on the side of your screen, and it'll keep you up to date with our weekly vlogs.
Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.
Bye-bye.